Hello students, in our last class we made an electric bulb to glow using the electric cells or batteries and an electric wire. Also with the help of electric bulb we can glow or we can light the electric lamp. So in this class we are going to make an electrical circuit. We are going to learn more about electrical circuit and how to make an electrical circuit. So let's move. Before which, what is an electric circuit? Before moving on to this section, simply what is an electric circuit? So electric circuit is the path through which electric current flows. The electric circuit is the path through which the electric current flows. Electric current flows. So we are going to learn more about the electric circuit. Previously we have learned the small electric circuit with the help of electric wires, electrical cell holder, a lamp holder with an incandescent lamp. We are going to learn more about an electric circuit. So the lamp glows when one terminal of the lamp is connected to the one terminal of electric cell and the other terminal of the lamp to the other terminal of the cell as shown in the figure. This setup forms an electrical circuit. So in our last class we have discussed how an electric lamp glows, in which we made a small electrical circuit with the electric cells, electric wires and with an incandescent lamp. So which is a small example for an electric circuit. In those arrangement we made about 6 arrangement. In all the 6 arrangement, the first arrangement and 6th arrangement through which the electric current flows and the incandescent lamp glows. While in 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th arrangement the electric bulb doesn't glow. The reason for which is both the terminal of the battery is not connected with the terminals of the electric lamps. Only the 1st and 6th arrangement in which the terminals of the battery, both the terminals of the battery connected with the terminals of the lamp, that is the 2 wires connected in the lamp holders, that is the terminals of the lamp, that both the wire is connected with both the terminal of the electrical lamp, and these both wires are connected by the wires of the battery, that is the negative terminal of the battery and the positive terminal of the battery. So here it is said that the one terminal of the electric cell and the other terminal of the lamp. So one terminal should be connected with the other terminal of the lamp and the other terminal of the battery should be connected with the other terminal of the lamp. So we have seen that in one arrangement both the positive terminal, the positive terminal of the cell is connected with both the terminal of the lamp, in which LED doesn't glow. And we saw there in one of the arrangement the negative terminal of the electric cell is connected with both the terminal of the lamp. In those arrangement also the electric bulb doesn't glow. So it is necessary that one of the terminal of the battery should connected with one terminal of the electric lamp and the other terminal of the electric cell should be connected with the other terminal of our electric battery. Clear? Then only the electric bulb glows. So this setup forms an electrical circuit. Only those setup, that is one terminal of the electric cell should be connected with one terminal of electric lamp. The one terminal of the that is other terminal of the electric cell should be connected with the other terminal of the battery. Then only the electric circuit is complete. Only when the electric circuit is complete, the current will flow through it. So this setup is called electric circuit, which provide a complete path for electric current to flow through the lamp. So what is an electric circuit? Electric circuit is the path through which an electric current flows. So this is the setup form an electric circuit which provide complete path of electric current to flow through the lamp. So the lamp glows only when current passes through the circuit. The lamp glows only when it acquires the electric charge or the electric charge. When the electric current pass through the circuit, only when the lamp glows. Only when the electric current pass through the circuit, the lamp glows. The direction of electric current in an electric circuit is taken to be from positive to negative terminal of the cell. So the direction of electric circuit in a electric charge, that is electrical charge in electric current. The direction of electric current in a electric circuit is taken to be from positive to negative. That is a point to remember. It is the point to remember. That is important point. The electric current in an electric circuit flows from the direction. That is electric current in a circuit flows in the direction of positive. That is electric current in a circuit is taken to be from positive to negative terminal. The direction of electric current in a circuit is from positive to negative. When the terminals of the lamp are connected with those of electric cell by wires, the current passes through the filament. So in those arrangement only, the current passes through the filament of the incandescent lamp and makes it glows. Only it will make it glow. With an incandescent lamp, it does not matter which of its terminal connects to positive or negative terminal of the cell. So it does not matter which of its terminal connect to positive and negative terminal of the cell. The lamp will glow as long as circuit is complete and current flows through the filament. So for an incandescent lamp, it has two terminals. One is at the center of the metal case and other one is the bottom of the metal case. In an incandescent lamp, it has two terminals, but there is no positive or negative. Only there are two terminals. It is not mentioned in positive terminal or negative terminal. The incandescent lamp will glow when the circuit is complete. That is, one terminal connected with the cell and other terminal should be connected with the other terminal of the cell. Okay. Both the terminal of the incandescent lamp should be connected to the positive and negative terminal of the electric cell. That must be the condition for an incandescent lamp to glow. അതായത് നമ്മൾ ഇൻകാൻസർ ലാമ്പിന് രണ്ട് ടെർമിനൽ ആണുള്ളത്. പോസിറ്റീവ് നെഗറ്റീവ് എന്നൊന്നുമില്ല, രണ്ട് ടെർമിനൽ. അതിൽ വൺ ടെർമിനൽ ഷുഡ് ബി കണക്റ്റഡ് വിത്ത് പോസിറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് ദ സെൽ ആൻഡ് അതർ ടെർമിനൽ ഷുഡ് ബി കണക്റ്റഡ് വിത്ത് നെഗറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് ദ സെൽ. അവിടെ ഇന്ന ടെർമിനൽ പോസിറ്റീവിനോടും ഇന്നത് നെഗറ്റീവിനോടൊന്നും ഇല്ല. പക്ഷെ ഒന്ന് നെഗറ്റീവിനോടും ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് പോസിറ്റീവിനോടും നമ്മൾ കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കണം. ആൻഡ് ദ സർക്യൂട്ട് ഷുഡ് ബി complete. Then the current flows through the incandescent lamp. അതായത് നെസസറി ഇല്ല ഇത് ഇതിനോടുമില്ല. One terminal connected with the positive terminal of cell and any other terminal should be connected with the negative terminal of the cell, which will make the circuit complete and the electric charge flows from the positive to negative and the electric bulb flows through it. Okay. Complete and electric current flows through it, which makes the filament to glow. Incandescent lamp glow ചെയ്യാൻ കാരണം the thin metal wire in the center of the electric bulb ആണ്, which is called a filament. So here is a picture, an electric circuit. Here you can see this This is the one terminal. This is the terminal. This is other terminal. There is no positive or negative. So this one terminal should be connected with any of the terminal of the electric cell. So here this terminal is connected with the positive terminal of the electric cell, and here this terminal is connected with the negative side of the electric cell. So this circuit is complete. You can see this is a complete circuit. There is no break in the circuit. This is a complete circuit. So electric current flows through this circuit. Electric current flows through this circuit and will make the circuit or make this electric bulb to glow. Clear? This is the case of incandescent lamp. So here is a fascinating fact. Sometimes an incandescent lamp does not glow even when connected to the cell. We say the lamp has fused, usually due to broken filament. A broken filament stops the flow of current, preventing the lamp from glowing. So sometimes we may say the bulb is fused. A bulb fuse ആയതാണ്. നമ്മൾ പറയാറില്ലേ? So the bulb is fused എന്ന് പറയാനുള്ള reason the filament may be broken. So the broken filament is an incomplete circuit. If filament is broken, the circuit is incomplete. അവിടെ ഒരു complete ആവുന്നില്ല, circuit complete ആവുന്നില്ല. So we can say the circuit is incomplete. So the current will not flow through it. A broken filament stops the flow of current. The broken filament will stops the flow of current and preventing the lamp from glowing. It will prevent the lamp from glowing. This broken filament is not a closed circuit and it will not flow the electric current, and it will stop the current from flowing. Clear? So the electric circuit should be complete, then electric current will flow through it. The fused lamp, the fused bulb, which means the filament of the bulb is broken. Clear? If the filament of the bulb broken, the current does not flow through it. Next one. Let us now try to make an LED bulb. We are trying to make an LED bulb. Let's look. Let us experiment. Take two electric cell, an LED of any color. We can use an LED of any color. A cell holder. Here you can see a cell holder, and that can fit two cells and two length of wires. Remove about 1 centimeter of plastic covering from both end of each wire to expose the metal. Here we have to remove the plastic covering of the wire 1 centimeter and remove the plastic covering. അതായത് 1 centimeter plastic covering നമ്മൾ remove ചെയ്യണം. That is to expose the metal part of the wire. And this wire should be connected to the two end of this cell holder. So connect two wires to the cell holder as shown in the picture. As in the picture, these two wires should be connected with the screws of the cell holders. Then insert two cells in the cell holder, taking care that each cell, its negative terminal is towards the spring side of the cell holder. So here is the cell holder. Here we have to place or insert two cells. Here is the one cell holder and here is the other. In both sides we have to place two cells, and we must notice that the negative terminal towards spring side. While placing an electric cell in the cell holder, we must notice that the negative side should be placed in the spring side. We said it earlier, that is the spring side. In the spring side we must place the negative terminal of the electric cell. So, and the battery is ready to use. How will you decide which is the positive terminal of this battery? Which is the positive terminal of this battery? So let's look. The terminal of the holder which is connected to the positive terminal of one cell is positive and then one connected to the negative terminal of the other cell is negative. So here you can see the negative. So negative terminal ആയിട്ട് connect ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള wire. This wire connected with the negative terminal of the battery. So this is the negative terminal. The negative terminal of this battery. So negative part ആണ് ഇലക്ട്രിക് സെല്ലിന്റെ നെഗറ്റീവ് പാർട്ട് ആയിട്ടാണ് കണക്ട് ചെയ്തത്. Here the positive part, the battery is connected with the positive. So here positive. Okay. Here which is positive part of the electric cell is connected with the positive part of this electric cell is connected with this wire and this is the positive terminal. So here there is two terminals. Let's look. Now connect the free end of battery positive terminal to the wire. The longer wire of LED and the free end of the second wire to the shorter wire of the LED. So while connecting an LED, we must notice that the longer wire of the LED, we know that this is an LED. If this is an LED, it has longer wire and a shorter wire. This longer wire is positive terminal and this one is negative terminal. So while connecting the LED, we must check that the positive terminal long wire connect cheyyanam. The positive terminal should be connected with the long wire and the negative terminal will be connected with the short wire. Clear ആണോ? Does the LED bulb glows? Yes, here the LED bulb glows. Repeat the above experiment but interchange the wire. നമ്മളോട് സെയിം എക്സ്പെരിമെന്റ് ഇന്റർചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പറയാണ്. സോ എൽഇഡിന്റെ പോസിറ്റീവ് ടെർമിനൽ നെഗറ്റീവ് ടെർമിനൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിട്ട് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യും, പോസിറ്റീവ് നെഗറ്റീവ് ആയിട്ട് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറയാണ്. They are asked us to interchange the wires. While interchanging these wires, this LED does not glow. Glow ചെയ്യില്ല. Does not glows. That is positive and positive should be connected together and this negative and negative should be connected together. Here it is interchanged. The negative and positive is connected together. Here also the positive and negative is connected together, which will not make the LED to glow. Okay, you would have observed that LED glows in the first case and does not glows in the other. It is because the current can pass through the LED in one direction only. The current can pass LED only in one direction, not like in the case of incandescent lamp. Incandescent lamp two terminal ഉണ്ട്. അതിൽ ഏത് ടെർമിനലിലൂടെ പാസ് ചെയ്താലും incandescent lamp glow ചെയ്യും. But LED എന്താണ്? Only positive terminal with the positive terminal makes the LED to glow. So in LED the current pass through LED in only one direction. The current pass through LED only in the positive terminal of the LED is connected to the positive terminal, not the point. That is positive terminal of the LED connected with the positive terminal of the battery and negative terminal of the LED is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. When current passes through the LED, it glows. When current passes through the LED, it glows. Always take care to connect an LED correctly in a circuit to make it glow. So while making an LED glow, we must check the connection is proper or the circuit is connected properly. So when current passes to LED, it glows. Always take care, connect an LED correctly in a circuit, make it glows. Let's check. Sometimes you may come across a device in which the cells are placed side by side. Then how are the terminals of the cells connected? If you carefully look inside the battery compartment, you will usually see a thick wire or a metal strip connecting the positive terminal of one side to the negative terminal of the next. To help with the proper placement of positive and negative symbol are typically printed inside. While we are looking inside the battery compartments, we can see while we are observing a battery compartment, you can observe a remote, TV remote. There are battery compartment. While observing this battery compartment, you can see thick wire or metal strips connecting the positive terminal and negative terminal. While observing the sides of this compartment, you can observe that there is a metal connecting the positive and negative terminal of this batteries. Metals or metal strips connecting positive and the positive terminal of one cell to the negative terminal of the next. To help with the proper placement, positive and negative symbols are typically printed inside. In some of these compartments, it will print the positive and negative terminal on it. So while observing the compartment, we can understand the positive and negative terminal of the cell. So now you are familiar with different types of cells and how a circuit forms, how to connect a circuit, or how LED bulb is connected in a circuit and which type of connection will make this LED to glow, and how our incandescent lamp is connected, and how can we make a complete electric circuit of incandescent lamp, and how can we make the LED bulb circuit and which circuit will glow the bulb, and what are the incorrect method or improper arrangement of the cell which will not glow the incandescent lamp or LED bulbs. While glowing the LED bulbs, we must notice the positive terminal of the LED bulb should be connected with the positive terminal of the electric cell, and the negative terminal of the LED bulb should be connected with the negative terminal of our electric cell. It should be careful while connecting the circuit in an LED bulb. Okay, clear? That's all for today, and we will continue this chapter in our next classes. So thank you.